Okay, so how does the uncertainty principle apply to the relativistic slide rule? So here I've taken a velocity of 0.6, that's v over c, or more correctly L over t. So there's only one constant, and it is actually the number 1. It's dimensionless. It actually is the number 1. This length here I've called L, and this length here I've called T, or you could call it a wick rotation, ICT. Okay, and this, I'm just going to call this the wavelength of a fermion, and then the total length here is actually gamma, and that's also the wave number, which is usually given a k. And this length here is 1 over t, which is usually called radians per second, or W. Okay, so what are the conjugate pairs? Well, wavelength and wave number, or as I would just call them, L times 1 over L, and the other one is 1 over T times T, which is also 1, and it's called WT, or CT, whatever. Okay, so how do you convert there? Well, energy is h bar times W for a photon, so you can get your W to be E over H, and you can slot it in there, so you end up with E over H times T, therefore E times T equals H. That's the first common one, and then the other one is momentum is h bar times the wave number, therefore K is momentum over h bar, so you just slot that into that and you end up with that, which is the other one which is commonly used. And that's it, basically.